colors for your home was fun with the technology available. Wait until you see what they have now here at McGuire Homes. We're around the home with Nicole McGuire, and we're excited to be back here in your studio, your showcase studio.
Thank you so much for coming back into our studio. We have new technology that's available just this fall. So I'd like to show you a bit how it works.
Yeah, let's do it.
It provides a more interactive experience for our clients that are making changes to their home. So whether they're remodeling a kitchen, a bathroom, or building an entire house, we can take all 200 products that we have available to our clients, put it in this one app, and make the changes and see what they're going to look like in real time. Okay. So they can see it on the screen.
So we get to be designers ourselves.
Absolutely, and then touch the products as well. So you can change the door colors, the flooring options, down to the door profile that's available, countertops and backsplashes within the app.
It's all in the app. So we actually have it.
It is.
You do it either on your phone or on the computer.
In the studio, we do it on the computer, and then clients, once they have a contract with us, we upload their home into the app. And what they get to do then is kind of play with it and make changes, and then come back into the studio and see the products, feel them, touch them. Okay, I like this color combination.
Make sure it's a good fit.
Absolutely.
So here we have up on the screen, we have a kitchen.
Yes.
So if we don't really want to do white cabinets or the gray color island, we can mix it all up.
Right. So in this photo, we have the white cabinets with the gray that's already shown. And one of the hot things is to do a much darker island. So if we wanted to do a hail navy with a different door profile or even a black, it was a simple click. The island has changed. If we want to take a look and see what the perimeter may look like in the gray instead of the white, we click on that and we can see what it looks like as a gray with the dark combination as well.
And then it even works on the floor too.
Absolutely. So kitchens, bathrooms, it includes all the cabinets, countertops, fixtures. This is another example. So if you're just doing a bathroom remodel, you can click on that. We have different wood products available. Say we want to go with a dark oak on these as well. Easy change, just a simple click. We can change the countertops from a granite, quartz, or a style stone. So any of the products that are available, they're already preloaded into this app.
Because these are all products you have available to you at McGuire Homes. They can come in here, feel them, see them, touch them, like you mentioned. Just save it. Is there a way to save it and then bring it to you and be like, okay, here's what we've liked?
Yes, so they can create different portfolios and then bring them directly to us. So they correlate with anything that they're finding on Pinterest or House. But this takes it to their exact space.
That's nice to be able to see it, because sometimes you can't picture it in your own home if you see it on Pinterest, and then you can't translate it. So this is awesome.
And this is another kitchen remodel, and like you mentioned, this gives us the opportunity for the backsplash, the cabinets, which we've already changed. Let's say we want to change the floors in this one. This gives us an opportunity to go with a more neutral tile. Again, simple click and it changes immediately.
Nice. Okay, so let's say people need even more inspiration.
Yes.
You've got your kind of your own showcase coming up.
We do. We have the Taste and Tour coming up October 20th and 21st. It will be in Jacobs Landing and in Abbey Fields. We have one completed product for our clients to walk through, or anybody to walk through. We'll be showcasing virtually staged spaces in there, similar to the technology that we're showing now. And then we'll also have a home under construction for purchase and a home under construction that's in our executive rental program. Our design studio will also be open for from 11 to 5 on both days, and we will show our technology then as well.
Yeah, it's fun to play around with it and dream about what your dream kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, home could look like. Nicole, thank you for having us.
Thank you so much.
All right, if you need any more information about this app and about the showcase coming up later this month, head to CiLiving.tv after today's show.